This is how you make the most amazing, crispy on the outside, fluffy in the middle, roast potatoes. Oh, look at that.
Alright, let's start by taking your potatoes, slicing in half or in quarters depending on how big your potatoes are. Then we're going to throw them in some salted, boiling water for about 20 minutes until they become nice and soft. While those are boiling away, we're going to utilize this time and preheat our pan, which we've thrown some olive oil in. 20 minutes later, once you've drained your potatoes, this is what they should look like. You can see they're getting flaky and they're just starting to come apart. Now we're going to hit it with some extra virgin olive oil, seasoned generously with salt, and then go in with a couple tablespoons of corn flour. Give this a toss until all the potatoes are covered, and then we're going to throw these potatoes face side down into the pan that we've preheated with olive oil. Be careful when you're dropping them because the oil is going to be very hot, so avoid what I just did there by dropping them aggressively. Now we're going to top with some fresh thyme. You can use rosemary if you can't get your hands on some thyme. Finish with some garlic cloves and some fresh cracked black pepper, and you're ready to roast. If you've cut them to the same size I have, they should take around 45 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Now with mine, every 15 minutes I take them out of the oven, give them a quick flip, making sure that the whole potato gets crispy all around. Once they come out the oven, sprinkle a little salt and let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, then you're ready to enjoy the most amazing, fluffy roast potatoes. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the recipe. Thanks for watching.